Ever found yourself staring at your screen, wondering if that sleek, European business banking solution you've heard so much about can actually work for you and your business here in the UK? You've seen the ads, you've read the reviews, but a nagging question remains: does Qonto work in the UK? It's a question that gets right to the heart of the modern business world. With more and more companies operating across borders, having a banking partner that understands international payments and multi-currency transactions isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Qonto, with its strong presence in countries like France, Germany, Italy, and Spain, has built a reputation for making business finance simple and efficient. So, what's the deal for us in the UK? Here's the definitive answer, and it might be different from what you expect. You cannot open a Qonto business account in the UK. The platform is currently only available to companies that are officially registered in one of its core European markets: France, Germany, Italy, or Spain. So, if you're a UK-based business or a freelancer operating solely within the UK, you won't be able to sign up for a Qonto account with a UK address and company registration. However, that doesn't mean Qonto is entirely irrelevant to UK businesses. This is where things get interesting and where the nuance lies. If you are a business based in France, Germany, Italy, or Spain, and you have suppliers, clients, or employees in the UK, Qonto is a powerful tool for your international financial operations. The platform offers seamless international transfers, including payments to the UK in GBP, often processed quickly and efficiently through a partnership with Wise. This allows businesses with a Qonto account to send money to UK bank accounts with transparent, competitive fees. Think about a French startup that needs to pay a freelance designer in London. With Qonto, they can initiate a GBP transfer directly from their account, avoiding the slow, costly process of traditional banks. Similarly, if a Spanish company sells goods to a UK-based retailer, they can receive international transfers into their Qonto account. The platform's integration with Wise means these transactions are handled with speed and clarity, giving both the sender and receiver confidence. So, while a UK company can't open an account to be a Qonto customer, they can certainly benefit from dealing with a Qonto customer. It's a crucial distinction. The platform's features, like automated bookkeeping, expense management, and team cards, are a huge draw for businesses in its supported countries, and the ability to easily conduct cross-border payments is a core part of that value proposition. This means if you're a UK-based freelancer or small business, and you find yourself working with a lot of clients in France or Germany, you might want to encourage them to consider Qonto. It could make your payment process faster and more transparent on their end, leading to a smoother professional relationship for you. To wrap this up, the simple answer is no, Qonto does not work in the UK in the sense that you can't open an account here. The platform is built for companies registered within its specific European markets. But its value extends beyond those borders, making international transfers to and from the UK a streamlined, modern experience for its users. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.